Welcome to IT Tutorials. If you want to free up space on C drive, then you can use Disk Cleanup tool. So to open Disk Cleanup tool, click on Start menu and search for Disk Cleanup, and then click on Disk Cleanup option. Now here you will see list of files that you could delete. These are unnecessary files, and then it will also show you the total amount of space that you will get after deleting these files. But before deleting these files, click on Clean up System Files. So this option will show you files related to Windows Update that could be deleted. After using Clean up System Files option, we now have a new entry in this list called Windows Update Cleanup. And if you could see here, it has detected 274 MBs of files on the system. So normally it is safe to select all the files that are listed here. So I'll just select all the checkboxes. So now I have selected all the files from this list. Now click OK, and it will ask you if you want to permanently delete these files. So click on Delete Files, and now it will start the process of deleting these files. It will take few minutes to complete this process. So this way you can use Disk Cleanup tool to free up space on C drive. If you found this information useful, then please subscribe to IT Tutorials. Thank you.